Hello there, and welcome to the FormLabs Form1 SBU. Today I will be showing you how to turn a 3D model file into a 3D printed object. The first thing you'll want to do is download FormLabs preform software. You can download it on their website at formlabs.com/products/preform, and then selecting it for the operating system that you currently have. Once downloaded, you'll want to open it up, and you'll see this view here. You may already see a preform object loaded in. In that case, you can select it by clicking the mouse button and then clicking the backspace or delete button on a Mac. Once that object is gone, you can open up Windows Explorer or Finder and find your .stl file. Here I have mine called nozzle11. What you'll want to do is drag it into your preform software. You'll see it has appeared on the screen. The next thing you'll want to do is learn how to navigate around the preform 3D view. You can select objects by clicking and dragging. You can hold down Control and click and drag to rotate. You can use your scroll wheel, scrolling in to zoom and scrolling out to zoom out. If you would like, you can also use the navigation tools on the top right-hand corner of your screen. You can change by face and also use the plus and minus buttons to zoom in and out. The first thing you'll want to do is select your object and then move it to the center. To easily do this, come over to the taskbar on the left and select the one that's called Layout. Then move your object by clicking and dragging and move it to the center. Hold down Control and drag with your mouse key to then get back to a better perspective. If you want to reorient your object, come over to the taskbar and the orientation tool and then click the face that best orients your object. In my instance, it's this face. If you'd like finer tune control, you can rotate on each of the 3 available axes. Once you are satisfied with your orientation, you can come over to the Supports tab and click Generate Selected. This will show you how the supports will be printed. If you're not satisfied, you can come over to the Edit Selected tool and add or remove supports as you'd like. Once finished, hit Apply Changes, or hit Cancel to cancel. You can also edit the density and the point size of the supports. If you would like to increase or decrease the scale of your object as well, you can use the Scale tab. Note that you will have to regenerate your supports if you change the object in any way. Once you are satisfied with your object, you can click the orange Start a Print Job button. You can calculate the print time. You can also change the material settings if necessary. And then simply click Send to Printer. Once the program has finished uploading the 3D model to the printer, you'll get a notification if you're on Mac that the job has been uploaded, and the printer will now begin printing. Once your object is finished printing, you want to remove it from the printer. Simply lift the cover off the side of your arm, pull the black tab on the top up, gently slide it out from the metal fin. Then gently rotate it so your object is face up. Then put the tab back down. Make sure the stick is up and place your object into the cradle. Then take 2 disposable gloves from this bag and put them on. Once your hands are protected, firmly grasp the build platform and take this tool and put it under your object. Then you'll want to slowly remove the object gently. And now that you have your object off of the platform, you're going to take it and put it inside this bath and let it sit in there for 10 minutes. Make sure the entire object is covered. Once about 10 minutes has passed, carefully take your object out of the bath then drop it, or gently place it, into the second bath. After a few more minutes have passed, you want to gently remove your object from the second bath. Between the two, you want about 15 minutes to pass while it's within both baths. Now place it down on the napkin and let it air dry. After 5 minutes, your object should be dry, and it is now time to start removing the struts with this tool. Once you're ready, begin cutting the struts. You want to make sure to cut as close to the base as you can to eliminate hurting your part. Finally, once your base is off, remove the remaining struts. And there you have your part. Once all of the struts are removed, you want to let it sit in the bath for another couple minutes, just to dry any of the remaining resin off.